Super easy to make, especially with my favorite kitchen toy, the KitchenAid. We'll be mixing up a few varieties today, and to start, we'll use our basic vanilla recipe. So, we'll get measuring. 1 cup milk going into our chilled bowl, 2 cups heavy cream, 3/4 cups of sugar, tablespoon of vanilla, and a healthy pinch of sea salt, about a half teaspoon. We're gonna mix this gently for about 3 minutes to get the sugar, vanilla, salt all combined. You don't wanna go too crazy, and you definitely don't wanna do this in a blender with the heavy cream. I'm not trying to make cheese. All right, so this thoroughly combined. Can't feel any of the sugar granules in there. Gonna pop it in the fridge for a few minutes and then get our mixing stand set up. Throw this guy on there. Get our bowl out of the freezer. Work quickly so this thing doesn't warm up. Yeah, so this paddle here, pop that in there. Everything is ready to go. Spatula nearby, ready to start mixing. Get it on stir, we'll pour our mixture in. But it's quite low right now, and you'll see that volume increase. So we'll check back in another 20-25 minutes and see how this is doing. Come check this out. I told you earlier, the volume is super low. You can see now it's almost filling it up. It's starting to come out of the top, thickening up, whipping in air, making that light, fluffy, delicious ice cream. Nearly done. Okay, mixer is clicking, so we're gonna turn this guy off. Drop this down. So I love this mixer. Get it over here on the bench. So we got our loaf pan. Should fit 2 quarts of ice cream pretty easily. Look at that. So right now it's almost like a milkshake. Not quite ice cream yet. Get it in the freezer, 4 hours minimum. Get as much out of there as possible. Ready for the freezer.